One thing I want to show you about the taskbar before I leave the topic, and I want to do this in a separate video because it's vital that you see this. This is one of the first things I noticed about Windows 8, and it really frustrated me early on. Have you ever noticed that sometimes you're working, right, and you've got something up, and let's just open up Firefox here, and have you ever been out there working and you needed to pull down and you needed to see the taskbar but it wouldn't appear because something was holding it, something had priority, or sometimes when you've got download files coming, the taskbar won't behave, but you need to see it. Used to, in Windows 7, you could just hit the Win logo key, right, and it would pop up. Well, now if you do that, it takes you to the start screen. So the Win logo key is not going to help you here. This is the keystroke. It is the Win logo key and the letter T. It will always make that taskbar show up no matter if you can't get it with a mouse or whatever. Now, also, another thing that's kind of cool with this, and this is also what I used to use it for in the corporate environment. Notice, let me go back and unlock this thing again, and I am going to make Firefox go away so we can see. I'm going to take this taskbar, right, and just drag it to the top, so that now if I pull down here it doesn't happen. I have to pull up here. But I sat down at somebody's computer to do something very quickly, especially in a corporate environment. Well, again, Command and T will make that thing show up. And so I have to sit here and wonder, wait a minute, what's happened here? It's not there, it's not here, it's not over here. You know, I can just sit down, and if I don't see it pop up right here, Win logo T, there it is, and I can grab it. Okay, so that's how to make that taskbar show up anytime you want to see it. Again, Win logo, the T key, and it'll force the taskbar to appear in the interface.